Hey beautiful people, if you've ever tried to stitch a circle skirt or a circle dress, then you know how complicated it can be to sew a curved hem. So today I'm going to show you just how to do that. The first step is to set your sewing machine to the highest stitch length. Then stitch all around the hem, leaving a thread at the beginning and end that you can pull on. You can serge your garment before doing this step if you have a serger or overlock machine. Then you want to gently pull on the thread to lightly gather the hem. Once that's done, you're going to be able to fold and pin the hem upwards all the way around. This would not have been possible if you didn't run this line of stitches. Next, set your sewing machine to stitch length 3 or the stitch length that you normally stitch with and stitch all around the hem from start to finish, making sure that you backstitch at the beginning and end so your stitches will be secure. If necessary, run your fingers along the hem to remove the gathers. This will definitely happen if you're stitching with very thin fabric or if your tension is too high. This is how your hem should look. And if you want to get rid of these ripples, then I suggest ironing your hem to complete so that it will lay nice and flat. If you want to put this strategy to practice, then you can check out my last 2 YouTube videos where I show you how to sew a gathered dress and a circle dress. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.